We got ourselves a cold front coming in. A very extremely strong winds. Of course, I'm inside the truck right now, but I'm gonna roll down the window just a little bit because the reflection is getting too much. But you can see how the storm is moving in. Close to the roadway, so I won't get stuck even though I'm driving a full-wheel drive. Dirt gets wet and it gets super slick. And you can see how it used to look like. And you can see surprised if there were a tornado or some type of twister in there that I can't identify from here. I'm gonna put it in the stand here real quick. I'm gonna put out a little bit more. Well, I'm gonna put it on pause here because I went ahead and backed it up into the barn here, and I'm gonna go ahead and park it right here because this is just the initial wind that passed by. For now, it'll be a while before the rain comes, so I'm just gonna leave it here and stand by and see what happens. Awkward as it may seem, but we finally got ourselves a cold front. Came outside because I had just eaten a small breakfast and I didn't want to necessarily go to bed right now. By the way, good morning. Oh my. Good morning. How's everybody on YouTube doing? Hope everyone is doing well. This is the Hero 10 from GoPro. Somehow or another, it's come out real clear. Now I've got it in 5.3 or 5.7 K, but it turned out to be a pretty awesome camera. In comparison to the Hero 9, Hero 9 still had a little bit of a flaw. I'm not sure if you're able to pick up the noise of the wind. I am using the camera with the mod media, and I should not be getting maybe a little bit of wind, but yesterday's video, or day for yesterday's video, was taken with the Rode wireless microphones. So I could have been 600 yards away and you could just hear my voice, maybe not see me in the camera because 600 yards is pretty far away. But you could still hear me. That's how far away those things reach. I'm at home right now. Actually, this is my mother's house, but I have a separate home. I'm fixing to go to bed. I just got off of work. It's 7:41 a.m. I had just finished eating a small breakfast, and I just don't want to eat and then go to bed. It's not good for indigestion, so I prefer to just stay outside and just kind of move around a little bit, you know. This would probably be just a morning vlog. We had a cold front. I'm not sure if you can see. Look at that, all them clouds. A lot of clouds coming from the north. I don't think I'm gonna last too long outside. I mean, it is kind of cold. The first time it gets cold, last time it was cold, it was during January, February of this year is when it got real cold. The freezing temperatures, actually. We lost a lot of our crops. I still remember those days. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and just shut it down. I'm coming up to 4 minutes on this GoPro Hero 10, and hopefully the microphone is doing its job correctly and it's not picking up the northern wind. Y'all have a good day. Today is Saturday, October 16th, 2021, and it's cold out here, so I'm gonna go inside and process this little clip and add it to last night's clip. Last night? Yeah. And we'll see you up there on YouTube. Everyone take care, maintain your social distancing, and God bless.